Alright, so teepee lasted all last summer and all winter, still standing strong. Now I got me a new doohickey going on here. It is a tarp tent. Don't laugh, because by the time I'm done with it, it's not gonna just be a tarp tent. I mean, it's already more sturdy just from self-tapping all these freaking connections. It's nice and anchored to the ground. I do have some sandbags for now. Once I get everything done that I want to do, though, I'm not going to need these little stretchy doohickeys. Like that one, though, is going to have to pull the porch out to get the thing out of the ground. But what I'm planning on doing, no, I mean, yes, this is a door. No, this is not going to be a door that opens. Nope, I'm just going to have one here. And I've got another one just like it that I'm going to put right here. And then the opening I'm going to use is going to be in the middle. Basically, I mean, I could unroll the tarp and hang it down, but I kind of like the idea of having the hard ends, and plus I can see through it in the middle of the night, like if I want to look out at some shit, well, you know. But right now, I got some shop lights. I'm currently running some lights for stuff like that, where I can like flick it on and off. And at the same time, though, I got my Alexa over here. I've already started hanging some shelves. That's temporary. Like that, this is very temporary. This one, though, this is the idea of how the shelves are going to work. I'll hang them up with the tension cables going in a triangle, and then I'll self-tap at the bottom. I'm going to do that, you know, in different places around the facility. But otherwise, I mean, I bought this table the other day just to have something that I could set some stuff on. I do plan on moving some stuff from the teepee over to here, just because, you know, main reason I wanted this is because I'm outgrowing the teepee, and I can still use the teepee for the dirty work, you know, like the lapidary stuff, welding and all that, and then I can come in here to do leather work and faceting for the jewelry and all that cool stuff. So, I don't know, got a new summer project now. If it'll just fucking become summer.